All right, so the first thing we're going to do is a template expression via interpolation. Okay, simple enough. Let's do that. Let's put some interpolation here and say message. So message is going to be a string, which is going to equal hey. Pretty boring message. Boom. So let's serve that up and see if that works. Oh no. Oops. I forgot to npm install. This is going to take forever. So let's just assume that works for now. We'll come back when it's done installing.
Give me the benefit of the doubt.
The next thing is we're going to do a property binding. All right, cool. Well, it's really not anything interesting we could bind to in this H1. So let's just make some real HTML here. And let's just say widgets here. And then we'll go back to our H1 example that we had. And we'll use the same thing that we had, which was message. Cool. And then let's just use a button. That's pretty awesome. Pretty simple. Click. Actually, but we've done button before. Let's do something different. Let's try something else.
What about center?
A
mouse over.
A mouse over? What about a scroll? Let's try a scroll. That's usually like a big killer performance thing. Let's try that. Let's see a scroll. So we'll do a scroll here. Scroll. So we'll bind to the scroll event. And when that happens, we'll say handle scroll. Boom. So now we need to come down here and we need to say handle scroll. Oh, this is going to be a lot. Hopefully it doesn't break. Okay. Scroll. But obviously we don't have anything to scroll, so let's make this thing scrollable. And we'll add some styles here. And we'll say dot scroll class height of 100 pixels, width of 300 pixels, and then we'll say overflow scroll. Cool, so that thing's gonna scroll, and we'll just put some stuff in here, like 20 pixels. Oops. This is a shortcut that I'm using. Oh, what? Really?
That's what happens when you've got 19 updates.
I can't do that, Emmet? Really? Okay, whatever. I try to do like, I'm using Emmet here for these like shortcuts, but it's like not. This is why I don't use Atom sometimes. It's really ridiculous. Cool. So we got all that. So now let's check out this scroll. Let's even make it so it definitely has to scroll here. Okay, so let's check it out. So now we should see handle scroll. Yay, it all installed.
Cool.
All right, so let's go here. All right, and then widgets. Where's that widget at? Widgets, widgets, hey, handle scroll. Why is that thing not on the page? Let's save that again. Huh, interesting. Any errors? No errors. What? Let's see what's going on here. Look at that. It's not even showing up somehow. Oh, too small. There we go. Cool, okay. So now on scroll, we had a console.log. It's already got 43 in it. So there we go. Scrolling. So pretty much handle any event. All right. So the next one we need to do is, oh, I did the event binding, huh? Supposed to do the property binding first. Well, now let's do the property binding. Let's bind a property to, what's a good one? What about
I feel like is scrolling or
is scrolling? Okay. That's complicated. You know what? Let's see. What about an input? Let's do a property binding on an input to the placeholder. No, placeholder is an attribute, not a property, I believe. Where is it? Let's see. Placeholder. Oh yeah, I think that's just an attribute, so that might not work. Let's not do that. Oh, I know what we can do. Let's try a, we will bind to an attribute property. So some of the small cases I said where you can actually bind to attributes, this is the one. So we'll bind to the style dot transform property. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Style.transform. And then what we'll do is move this button here, style.transform equals, and then we'll say X position. Cool. So then what we'll do, we'll make a constructor, and we'll say this dot transform, which does nothing right now, and then we'll make a transform method, which this dot X position equals 30 pixels. There we go. Or no, 0 pixels, 0 pixels. This dot X position equals I know what we'll do. 0. And we'll do this on an interval. Yep. Oh, I need to put pixels. Oh, this is getting complicated. But I think it's done now. Whew. Oops, I got it backwards. Hold on. There we go. All right, let's see if that works. So, Oh wait, no, that's still not right. It needs to be translate X. There we go. Now it should work. Really complicated, but I need it to be complicated on purpose.
That's what he's telling himself. Yeah.
Actually, let's do this. This is not for you guys to copy, so if you're trying to copy, like, don't.
You're saying we're not good enough? What you're saying?
No, I'm saying I'm not good enough. There we go.
They're taking bets in the chat room if you're gonna pull this off.
All right, let's see. Let's check it out. All right,
You should
so
change some more stuff.
we'll see what happens with this. So we have this thing binded.
There's no way for me to recover after this.
Style.transform, and it's going to translate by this. So, and I'm not doing any transition, so it's probably not going to be smooth, but we'll see what happens. Oh, it's working. There we go. So I'm binding to this style attribute.
Check that branch in so we can talk about it later.
It should have been on a mouse over and it should jump.
Yeah, I mean, I can make it nice. We can, you know, if I want to make it nice, I can just come up here and we could do this. Button.
I just realized what's happening. Scott doesn't want to do the router module. So he figures, like, if he just stalls, like, we're going to be like, sorry, I had the router module today.
Transform, 0.3 seconds, ease. And there we go. Now it'll be smooth. Ish. Let's see if it reloads. Hey, there we go. See? Yeah. Yeah. So that's how you bind to properties.
And that is proper UX right there.
Yep.
Material design, bro.